All right, so this is another quick review, the latest one on my Surly long haul trucker. This is where it is now with everything on it that I've dreamt of. So I got the 1x on here by Shimano, 36 I believe in the rear, and in the front, pretty sure that's like a 32 in the front. Got the SGS XT rear derailleur, long cage. These bear trap pedals, these are sick. Great for bikepacking if you don't want to clip in. The latest addition to this setup are the Mavic wheels. I laced them by myself, custom. They are XT Shimano M8000 hubs with Mavic A719 rims with DT Champion Swiss spokes. These are 32 holes, front and the rear. These wheels are awesome. The tires, I just threw these on. They're awesome. They're more for like adventure gravel grinding and some touring as well. Great for bike packing if you don't have like a huge 29 plus setup or anything, or fat bike. These are 45C tires, and they're by WTB. Kayak bars. Awesome rig. It's all fully equipped with Revelate design, bags. Any questions, just leave them in the comment. Love this bike. Love this bike. And if I had one bike to do it all, this would be it. So really psyched on it. Subscribe to the channel if you have any questions. I'm going to be taking this thing on some awesome touring, some international touring as well. So more on that at a later date. See you guys in the next video. Hit subscribe. Peace.